Reason why I'd not want to go to Australia. Part 43. The Kookaburra. Weighing up to 7.
The what now? It's pronounced Kookaburra. Freak me, mate. That's the least of your worries, eh, mate? That is the least of your worries. There's more of the snakes, the spiders, magpies. Ooh, magpies, you're not gonna like those. They're gonna come and sweep you down and they can peck your eyes out. They can peck the back of your head. It's fucked. Freaking kookaburra. What do you gotta fucking call it? Where he's at it. They fucking leave you alone. Fly by Australia Post.